Welcome to the Graphics Toolkits universe. In this video, we'll show how to install a license with a certificate. Launch SOTA and log in. You must be logged in to install a license. In the SOTA interface, locate and click Status page in the License section. In Status, you can see if a license is active. By default, you have a 30-day license. To create a license file, you need to provide the unique certificate specific to each computer. To do this, you need to locate and click on Certificate in the License section. Send us the generated file by email to contact@graiphic.io. We will send you the license as soon as possible. Once you have received the license by email, return to SOTA. Locate and click on Install in the License section. Your license is installed, but it's not finished. Locate and click on Manage in the License section. Here you can manage your licenses and activate or deactivate them. Congratulations and welcome inboard. Your license is now activated.